Hey guys, this is Sir Chatham and doing an unboxing video for you of my Chrome Apex Bull Bars. And I already took this little thing off, so let's get to the bars. Got vault receipt. All in all, it was $152.93. So yeah. Ooh, got a new vault sticker. Sick. Bunch vault stickers. I got this one. I got this one, and I got this one. I think there's more in here. Oh, there's a sticker. This is a tiny vault sticker. So tiny. Alright. Okay, time for the bull bars. Holy God, these are amazing looking. Jeez, that's sick. Alright, let's get this wrapping off. There's so much of it. Using my Allen tool to get this crap off. Oh gosh, it is very taped. Got that off. Okay. That part's off. Come on. Alright. So these are my bars. Apex Bull Bars. Super sick. Dang. These are awesome. I got them 21.5 wide by 23.5 tall. Pretty sick. Alright. And then I got a little Australian made thingy. Looks pretty cool. Yeah. Alright. Thanks guys. This is my boxing. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah.